Gold so far for the day traded bearish, and it has achieved the lows close to the lows from yesterday. It has gone towards 2035, 2036 levels, while most interestingly crude oil has scaled at 79.6. So now what to expect with the US session and with the data coming in from US? What to expect from gold and crude oil? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. See, gold on the hourly charts is trading with the support here at 2035-36. Thus, it needs to break below 2035 levels in order to confirm the bearish bias. And this also becomes our selling entry, that if gold stays below 2035, we have to initiate a selling position. We can look forward to 2830 levels as the first target, and below that more bearishness may prevail, which may take the prices towards 2020 levels as well. Also, if you notice this, see 4 bearish candles here, and we can see a green candle. See, last 3 candles were outside Bollinger Bands. It has expanded the bandwidth, and now it is trying to retrace. So there is a possibility that it can retrace towards 2044-45 levels, and only bullish confirmation is if it breaks beyond 2048 levels. Yes, this is the level beyond which you can treat gold as bullish. As long as 2048 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. Hourly stochastic has come to oversold levels, while if you look at this is traded with divergence, this has come to the bottom, it is still divergent here. A possible reversal from here can be expected, where it may try to converge, crossover and enter into bullish mode. RSI has dropped as well, coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour chart, see 2 bearish candle. Yes, body size has diminished here. It is a smaller body compared to the preceding candle. This also caused that the bearishness getting diminished. Also, this will be the, you can say this is a narrowing triangle here. You can see lower highs and a flat bottom. Thus, it needs to break below 2035 in order to confirm the bearishness. Else, it is still trading in the zone, and there could be a possibility of a breakout once it stays above 45 and 48 zone. Yes, this is the zone which is going to provide maximum resistance to gold on the upside. Stochastic has come to oversold levels here, while MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. It can possibly give a couple or more bullish candles and converge a bit, but still it is looking downwards and staying bearish. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour charts. See, on the 3 hour charts, look at these 3 candles. First of all, it comes with a flat top, which suggests that 2048 levels are going to remain the key here, only above which you can say that gold is willing to give a breakout. Also, one must notice on the downside, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. Thus, see, first of all, prices were divergent here. It has taken the support here from the 20 period moving average, and now trying to retrace a bit. Yes, it could be a possible reversal. If it stays above 2048, you can say that the prices are reversing and the bulls are taking over. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels, while MACD has been trading with divergence and bearishness, and this crossover on MACD has come at a higher levels. It does not mean that it cannot scale to further highs, but right now it is looking downwards. I will possibly wait for a convergence and crossover in order to confirm further rise here. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, see, first of all, flat bottom here, 2035 certainly a good support. 20 period moving average is also sitting a little below at around 2032 levels, and this zone becomes a support zone for gold here at 2028, 2032. Now one must note that, see, what gold has done, wall is created here. If you divide this into 2 halves, it has formed a symmetry. It has erased the gains here. Now remember, this is the first breakout candle. Hence, as long as here 2048 is not taken on the upside, we are not going to treat gold as bullish, and possibility exists that it can retrace towards 2044-45, and achieving those levels, it can reverse again. Remember, the data could bring more volatility, and achieving 2044-45 levels, it can again reverse. Thus, do not treat, again, I am re-emphasizing, it is only about 2048 we should expect that the reversal in gold is there, and we can expect it to fly on the upside. See, on the 4 hour charts, stochastic is looking downwards. It is still trading bearish, while the MACD has just crossed over a couple of candles away. This suggests that it could continue on the downside if the data is not completely opposite to what we expect, but this could continue on the downside for little more time and favor more candle. And RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Now coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, see, first of all, preceding candle was a swing candle. It was outside Bollinger Bands. It has got a push. It has ended in a doji candle where it failed to decide which direction it wants to go. The buyers and bulls both exercise the same power. Now look at today's candle. It has formed higher lows. It has failed to break past the preceding lows here. Thus, only bearishness. Again, a selling entry is only below 2035 levels. As long as 2035 is not taken, do not treat gold as bearish. See, it is trading sideways. This can again reverse and achieve higher highs here. Higher highs means it can scale towards 2050 55 levels as well. But again, as I said, it has to stay above 2048. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy for today, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is started soon. It is announced. You can book your seats now. Reserve your seats now. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. And yes, you can register for the batch by visiting my platform forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer, but yes, the batch details are available here. The webinar, see, we have started a weekly webinar series where on every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Also, I take up your live queries, so do register for the webinar. This platform is much more. The breaking news, the top stories from across the globe is available. Also, the economic calendar where the data releases. If you want to see, if you are willing to see the data releases from across the globe, it is available here and its impact is also there. You can also search for your favorite instruments, do the charting, do the analysis. You can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And the important part is the discussion forum. You can take up your any topic and initiate a discussion. Thus visit the platform forexfunda.com. Do register for the webinar or the mentorship batch, and also you can join my signals channel over Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the stock I stick here on the daily charts. It's certainly overbought. It has to come down a bit. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. It can possibly now conversion here means it has to show a red candle today in order for it to converge crossover for a selling. And the RSI here is overbought as well. The first, the buying positions here can be taken at 20, 45, 46 levels, but it is still a risky position because as long as 2048 is not taken on the upside, we should not be expecting gold as bullish. It is to be treated bullish. It is to be treated for a breakout once it stays above 2048 levels. And thus, as long as 2048 is there, you have to watch out carefully how it behaves in between 45, 48, and then towards 52, 55 levels can be seen. And beyond 55, we can look forward to 2060 as the next target, and then all-time high levels are expected. But right now, it is not showing the signs of so much of bullishness. Depends on the data a lot much that which direction it wants to take. Yes, the important part is it has not yet taken the lows for the day. Yes, it has to stay below 2035 levels, and as long as 2035 is not taken, we are not also taking gold as bearish. It is only bearish if it stays below 2035. Below 2035, we can expect it to move towards 2032 and 2028 zone as the first target, and then 2020 levels can also be seen. Yes, it can erase all the gains from this reversal candle. Then this could yield a bigger red candle here. Thus, below 2035, we have to initiate a selling position. Expect 2832 as the first target, and then on the downside 2020 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. See, first of all, oil stayed bullish. It has come to the support levels at 78, which was the resistance earlier. It is now the support levels. And also one must note that it is still staying in this bullish channel here. Now only bearishness is in oil is seen if it stays below 78 levels, where you can take a selling position. Expect 77.6, 77.4 zone as the first target, and then 77 levels. Remember, as long as 77 is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. This is also very, very clear. Now what has happened here, it is seen it was trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence got a strong, but the moving averages are still divergent and it's still bullish looking upwards. Stock stick has dropped a bit while MACD is almost flat and it is at a higher levels. I will wait for a crossover. This crossover can bring bearishness, but right now it is not showing much of the signs. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2 hour. Now oil on the 2 hour chart, see lower highs are getting created. It is taking support here from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 78.3 levels, and the flat bottom at around 78 is indeed a very good support. I will watch out how it behaves at around 78 levels, below which a little sell entry can be taken towards 77.4, 77.6, which is a greater support zone. I do not see. I will possibly, and see a bounce back. Buying entry is above now 78.8 levels, beyond which you can say, rather 79 levels, beyond which you can expect it to move closer towards $80 levels again. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here. This is the first red candle. I will wait. If this red candle takes it further more downside, then you can say that the prices are entering bearish mode. RSI has dropped as well. Now on the 2 hour charts, you have seen a major swing, and after the swing, it is trying to retrace. Yes, 78 a greater support, and it can reverse again. Remember, it can reverse again on the upside, and it can trade bullish. Be careful here. Above 78.8 or 79 zone, you can initiate a buying position, and then one can look forward to higher highs here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still in green. It is trying to converge. RSI is near to overbought zone. On the 3 hour charts, now look on the 3 hour chart, the preceding candle comes with a smaller body and a bigger wick on the. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. Now on the downside, at the same time, support levels are intact at 78. Thus, this is also an expanding triangle here. We need to watch out more carefully how it behaves at 78, below which you can say further bearishness, else it is still bullish. If you observe the stochastic, this is fallen. The MACD is still divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also flat near to top. And on the 4 hour chart, likewise on the 4 hour chart, the preceding candle, a swing candle, higher lows are observed, expanding triangle here. Support levels at 78, only bearishness below 78, and you can buy at 79. More bulls will take over above 79. Moving averages are crossed over, divergent and bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is still divergent, bullish, looking upwards. And look, a beautiful wave it has created, and it is up, still looking upside. RSI is also near to overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart, now see on the daily charts, we have observed earlier in the day higher highs, higher lows. Now the highs are done, the lows are here at around 77.4, 77 zone, and it can possibly show swings. It has achieved the highs, it can possibly show swing on the downside. Achieving the lows, it can also recover and close the day in a. It has scaled to the highs here at 80. Stochastic is back to overbought. MACD is, now see, this is important. MACD is divergent, looking bullish, looking upwards. I have mentioned several times in my previous videos. See the drop, the retracement, and this crossover has come at a lower position, and hence it can continue to rise. RSI looking upwards. So what we are observing right now on crude oil is swings. We can expect it to swing. We can expect the lows at around 77.4 or 77, and in fact achieving the lows, it can again bounce back and close the day at around 78, 78.5 zone. Thus, first of all, a selling entry in oil is only below 78, where you can expect 77.4, 77.6 as the first target, and then 77 as the next. Achieving 77 also, it can bounce back strongly. Thus, you have to be careful with the selling positions. Need not keep your selling position, keep booking and keep entering for the buys. There is a possibility of a recovery as well. On the upside, if you see oil is staying above 79, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 79.680 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your training related queries, for trading, for any of your consultation related queries. You can book a call with me on my platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much.